Initial public offerings, or IPOs, occur when the owners of a company first offer to sell stock in their company to raise capital and help grow their firm long term. But what is the makeup of the founders that create these firms? And does gender play a role in the likelihood a firm goes public? By studying U.S. genomic firms founded over a 35-year period, researchers discovered that the professional and educational backgrounds of founders, in addition to gender, can affect whether a firm goes public. As far as team composition, conventional wisdom suggests that firms with founders having executive experience would be more likely to IPO. But researchers found that having team members with more executive or managerial experience was not actually beneficial, as these firms experienced fewer IPOs. As far as gender, merely having women on a founding team did not significantly influence IPO likelihood. However, firms with female founders who already had IPO experience or who had previous industry experience were significantly more likely to IPO than other firms. This is significant because while historically female entrepreneurs have not been involved in IPOs to the same extent as men, they were found to better leverage their previous IPO experience to the benefit of future firms than men. Wonder how the composition of founding teams may lead to different IPO outcomes? If so, you may want to read this paper.